Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Galaxy XCover7 Pro, and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So this operation is crucial if you'd like to download the app from totally different source than the Google Play Store, for example from the browser. So we have to begin with opening the settings, and here let's scroll down in order to find the apps. Let's tap. Then let's tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on Special App Access. Here in this list we have to find the option Install Unknown Apps, and as you can see, this is the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content, and of course we can change it. So let's pretend I'd like to download the app from the Chrome. So just find it and then tap on the switcher next to it, and from now on, since it is active, you're allowed to download something from this app. Be aware, because you're doing it on your own responsibility, and some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So remember about that and choose the apps wisely. Of course, here you've got also the information, the same information right here at the top. You can, of course, you can also remove previously granted permissions, either doing it manually just by tapping on the switchers which are turned on, or simply tap on Deny All. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.